I said, I wonder what if, let's try. I wonder what if, let's try. Let's try. Yeah, high five to Jojo. So I'm giving you guys a quick walkthrough of what my school looks like. We have one teacher who goes all in, and we decorated for the holidays.
Shoulders, head, shoulders, knees, head, shoulders, knees, come. Good job, baby. Good job. So we're sauteing our onions. That was already in there. Like when my onions start sweating, that's when I add the other things. So I added my bell peppers and my garlic, the 2 cloves of garlic, and about a little less than a quarter cup of bell peppers. 1 each cup or something like that. Alright? After I do that, I'm actually not going to be adding Scotch bonnet today because Jerome is going to have some of it and in the light spice. Alright, so I'm going to let this sweat a little bit. My bell peppers just like they're getting a little greener because they're sweating. And I just put enough oil to cover the pot. Alright, next thing I'm going to add are my cinnamon. I'm gonna add my tomatoes. Then I'm going to add my saltfish. You see the water there come? I don't want that in there. So give me 1 second. Yeah. Alright, now we're adding our saltfish.
Hi.
I have my camera guy here with me today.
Hi.
My cameraman, Jerome, so that I can add my sausage. Because this water, I don't want that in
I'm
here.
only an intern.
You're only an intern?
Yes.
I can still work with you.
Yeah, you can, because I'm an intern.
I'll train you to do exactly what I need you to do and how I need you to do it.
Yep.
Alright. So I'm going to allow that to cook down just a little bit. While I clean it up.
Got a ladle.
Then the next thing I'm going to grab is my Ackee. You see that color the oil like this out? That's why I like adding tomatoes to my Ackee. Not everyone does it. But I love it, that little rich color in my oil. Alright? Alright, I think this is pretty mixed up. Also, I am right-handed, but I was using my left hand. So, next thing I'm going to do right now is go get my Ackee. Draining in my colander, so I know there's no extra liquid that I don't want. All in, every drop. You want to mix it, but not too much, because the Ackee I go mess out. Alright? Now, to top this off Jamaican style, one of the most important parts of this, when you see me a saltfish, or sometimes when you buy the food name and you add a Ackee and saltfish, after your Ackee, you have to search the saltfish. The thing that I need, while I top this dish off, black pepper. As much black pepper as you like. I love it. Yeah. Smelling and tasting, full of black pepper. Black pepper, black pepper, black pepper, all over. And then I'm gonna stir that up again. Spread the love. Spread the love. Sharing the love. You know, like when I ackee and mash up, you know. Guys, when I'm in Jamaica, I get fresh ackee and I do it myself from scratch. But when you do fire and you have to buy ackee in the can, I gotta mark it myself and buy no one. Because then I get to cook it exactly how I want it. Anyways, that's the ackee. Right next door we have the pot with the yam and the dumpling and the sweet pepper. No sweet pepper, the sweet potato. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a plate and show you guys. Anyways, thank you for joining. Yeah, boys.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching. As always, remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Do you like ackee and saltfish? Have you ever had it? Anyways, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Happy holidays.